Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class I explained one example related with this result. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Continuing to the next example, see the example. If A is equal to one matrix is given and they are asking show that this equation is equal to 0, and with the help of this equation we have to find A inverse. So for that first we have to calculate A square, that is A into A. We have to multiply the matrices, and already you are familiar with the multiplication of matrices. First row with first column, first row with second column, then second row with first column, second row with second column. Now simplify this. So this is what? A square. Then after that consider the LHS. In that write down all the values. A square just now we calculated minus 5 as it is. A is the given matrix. And what about I? I is the identity matrix, and in this example we have to take a matrix of order 2 by 2. Here take only 5 inside the matrix, means each number is multiplied with 5. Plus, now here each number is multiplied with 7. So and students, here we have only 3 matrices, and that too they are simple. Take all the terms at a time. That means first element in each matrix. Depending on the sign, whatever the middle sign we have, here we have minus, here we have plus. Then next term, here it is minus into minus plus. Next one, 3 minus 10 plus 7. See, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 minus 15 is 0, and this is 0. Here it is also 0. 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. See, is it RHS or what? Yes, this is RHS. It completes one part. What is another part? Another part tells you, see, with the help of that equation you have to find A inverse. For that, please note down, student, this is very important result you have to remember. A into A inverse, any matrix with its inverse gives. That means when you are multiplying any matrix with its inverse, always it gives you identity. And identity into any matrix is same matrix. So this result you have to remember for our next result. So in the next result what we have to do? We have to write, consider that whole equation, because with the help of that equation we have to find whole equation as it is. With LHS and RHS we have to write as it is. And the question is find inverse using this equation. That's why multiplying each term by A inverse. This is A inverse into A square minus 5 A inverse into A plus 7 A inverse into I is equal to 0. I am not writing A inverse into 0 because 0 into anything is 0. Now here this I am splitting as A inverse into A. This A square I am splitting. And what about A inverse into A? See that side. A inverse into A. A inverse into A is I. Minus 5I plus 7. What is A inverse into I? A inverse into I is A inverse. I means identity matrix. And come to here. A inverse into A. A inverse into A is I. So this is I into A minus 5i plus 7a inverse is equal to 0. I into a is a, that I gave side, minus 5i plus 7a inverse is equal to 0. And students, we want a inverse means keep a inverse terms on left side as it is, the remaining term on right side. Taking plus a on that side, minus a, and it is plus 5i. Don't take 7 on that side directly. First simplify this. Write down that a value. What is a? Plus 5. I is identity matrix. Yes. Here I am taking minus inside, means each term is multiplied with minus. And here I am taking 5 inside. Now simplify this. Minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. Can I write? Can you write it directly? Yes. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 2 plus 5 is 3. This is what? This is 7a inverse. But what we required? We required a inverse. Take 7 on this side. 1 by 7. 2 minus 1, 1, 3. Yes. This is answer. And student, if a matrix is of order 2 by 2, I am giving you a simple step and to check whether your answer is correct or not. Remember, only for 2 by 2, because 2 by 2 means very simple. It takes only a few minutes. See, what is matrix A? Matrix A is given as, this is for verification whether your calculated value is correct or not, to check that. For that, first find the determinant of this. So this is 7. After that, write the adjoint. In a matrix of order to adjoint, how you write? We have to interchange the elements present in principal diagonal and change the sign of non-diagonal element. Understood? And after this, you know how to write A inverse. A inverse is 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. That is 1 by 7. 2 minus 1, 1, 3. See, check this answer, your calculated value. Is it correct or not? This is very simple for your verification. But don't use this method. This is only for verification. Moving to the next example. Next example. Find the, for the matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 1, 1. Find the numbers. Find the members A and B such that A square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0. That means this is a given condition. With the help of this given condition, we have to find the values of A and B. So, to use this condition also, we required A square. In the solution, first find A square. Already we are familiar. That is A into A. Yes. Multiply these two matrices. First row with first column. First element into first element plus second element into second element. Then first row with second column. Then second row with first column. Second row with second column. Yes, this is A square. After this, we have to write the given condition. Consider A square plus A into A plus B into I is equal to 0. Write down that A square value. plus small a as it is. Write down A plus B. I is what? Identity matrix. And remember, here 0 means you can write a 0 matrix of order 2 by 2, because here on left side all the matrices are of order 2 by 2. So first matrix I kept as it is. Then I am multiplying each number by A. That means I took A inside this matrix. Then take B inside the matrix. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. And see, on the left side we have to add all the 3 matrices. Yes. Now add all the 3 matrices. First element plus first element plus first element. 11 plus 3a plus b. Then second element. 8 plus 2a plus 0. Then next. 4 plus a plus 0. Then 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now on both the sides we have a matrix of order 2 by 2. They are equal. So compare the elements. This is equal to 11 plus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Next one, 8 plus 2a is equal to 0. Moving to the next one, 4 plus a is equal to 0. Next is 3 plus a plus b is equal to 0. And remember students, it is not necessary to use all the equations. Which you feel easy and which you feel convenient for your calculations, use that one. So here I am using the third one. 4 plus a is equal to 0. That means a is equal to minus 4. After that, write down that a value either in the first equation or in the last one you will get a b. So I am using last. Why? Because it is simple. Write down a. A is minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So B is 1. Like this we are calculating A and B values. See, is it very easy or what? Yes, this is very easy. Moving to the next example. The next example is very important and this is from NCERT for 5 marks in part D. So students, here I am giving you 2 to 3 questions as an assignment. And don't worry, I will explain these examples in the next class. So just I want to make you a perfect. That's why I am giving you this sum as a assignment. And I am not leaving that question as it is. In the next video, I will start with this assignment question only. Show that a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. That means with the help of this equation we have to find A inverse. This is first question. Assignment question, students. Remember. The next one. If A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2. Verify that a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equal to 0. And hence find A inverse. Next question. This is also assignment question. See, why I am giving you assignment, just I want to make you a perfect in calculation of multiplication of a matrices, because the questions are for 5 marks. If A is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4, then verify that A into adjoint A is equal to determinant of A into I. Also find A inverse. Next question. If A is equal to 2, 3, 1 minus 4, B is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3, then verify that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Don't worry, I will explain each and every question in the next class. Next question. Show that the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 satisfies the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0. Using this equation, find A inverse. Yes, student, assignment means just to make you a perfect. If you try, and after trying this in the next class when I solve, compare your answer with whatever the solution I am giving. Because these questions are very important for 5 marks in part D. Understood? So in CET we are not getting these type of lengthy questions. Even though you will get a questions, we have a shortcuts in CET. But in theory you have to write all the steps. So please see all the videos, give the comments, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.